Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about decimals, chapter number 4. What do you mean by decimal number? A decimal number consists of two parts, whole number part and decimal part, separated by a dot. Separated by a dot called the decimal point. Suppose the number like this here. This number is 4731.562. Okay, this is decimal, we call it point, and before decimal it is whole part. This is called whole part, and after decimal here all the digits after decimal, this is called decimal part, and we read this decimal number like this: 4731.562. After decimal we read the digits separately. 4731.562. In this way we read the decimal number. And how to show in the table like this here. Here the chart is like this here. Earlier you have learned about the place value systems, international place value systems. You started from ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand. Now after decimal point here, after decimal point, the digit at the first place is called 1/10. It is called 1/10, and digit at the second number is called 100th, and digit at the third place is called 1000th. And in this way we write the decimal number in this table. Here suppose this is the number 4731.562. we start from here, thousand place rest, write 2, at 100 place 6, at 10th place it is 5, after point ones, at ones place you write 1, at 10th place you write 3, at 100 place you write 7, at 1000 place you write 4. Then you will write in the expanded form here like that. Expanded form of 4731.562 will be equal to 4 into 1000. 4 is at 1000 place, 7 at 100 place plus 7 into 100. 3 at 10th place, 3 tens plus 3 into 10. 1 is at 1's place, 1 into 1. And after point 5 is at 10th place, so 5 into 1 upon 10, because 5 is at 10th place, and 6 is at 100 place plus 6 into 100, 1 upon 100, and this 2 is at 1000th place, so 2 into 1 upon 1000, 2 into 1 upon 1000. In this way you will write the expanded form of the decimal number. Then comes equivalent decimals. Like here, equivalent decimals having the same value are called equivalent decimals. The decimals which are having same value. Suppose 2.7, it can be written as 2.700. Okay, and 2.70 it can be written as 2.700, and 2.700 is same 2.700. We call these decimals equivalent decimals. इनको बोलते हैं equivalent decimals. Okay, then comes like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Suppose 3.26. After point, how many numbers are there? 2 and 6. 13.26. We consider after the decimal. We consider the number of digits after the decimal. After the decimal, there are 2 digits. After decimal, there are again 2 digits. And this is the number 171.20. After decimal, again 2 digits, 2 and 0. Again 2 digits. Then the decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Like decimals. Then comes unlike decimals. Unlike decimals, decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. अब इन सभी ये ग्रुप जो है decimals numbers का, here 12.4. After point only 1 digit. 8.25. After point 2 digits, 2 and 5. Then 10.624. After decimal, there are 3 digits. Then we can say the decimal having the different number of decimals. After decimal, there is 1. Then after decimal, there are 2 digits. After decimal, there are 3 digits. Then we can say decimal having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. We call these decimals unlike decimals. Then comes ordering of the decimals. Suppose you are given these 3 decimals: 3.24, 4.7, 3.624. First we convert into like decimals. Okay, when you look at this decimal number, this is 3.624. After point, there are 3 digits. So we make this number decimal number. After decimal, we want 3 digits. Here or we are having only 2. So we place in place of 3.24, we will write 3.240. We will replace 1 0 after 4 to complete 3 digits. Okay, we can replace 0. Then 4.7. After point, we are having only 1 digit. To make 3 digits, we place 2 more zeros. 4.7 is same as 4.700. Then 3.624, it is same. You take it as it is. Then if you are going to write it in the descending order, you know this is the highest, this is the largest value, and after that this is the largest decimal number 4.700, and after that 3 point, here it, you know, there is 3 also, there is 3, and after 3 here 3 point, this is 624, and this is after 3, this is 0.240. Then this will be the at second number, then at last it will be the smallest. Then writing in descending order, first of all the largest number will be written 4.700, after that the smaller 3.624, then the smallest in the last. In this way you will write the decimal numbers in ascending and descending order. You will solve review exercise of chapter number 4 yourself. Thank you. Review exercise, you will solve all the questions. Here chapter number 4.